How to get strawberry in Enshrouded? Well, we will have to fast travel to ancient spire Havelwood in this area. You can mark a waypoint here. Then we will jump to the left side of the tower. Let's jump here. In this area, there's a lot of strawberries that you can get. Let's find some. Here, you can harvest the strawberries. Keep looking in this area and you will find a lot. Alright, that's it. See you next time.